Join me as I take on the challenge of designing a livable home on Mars. Can I create the perfect space for future Martians? Welcome to this groundbreaking video where we're going to explore the first homes on Mars, how they're designed, and what this means for the future of humanity in space. Living on Mars is no easy feat, and one of the biggest challenges is the harsh environment. The planet's atmosphere is about 1% of Earth's, which means there's barely any air to breathe, and the temperatures can drop to as low as -125 degrees Celsius. On top of that, Mars is a barren planet with no liquid water, making it difficult to grow food and obtain resources. To make matters worse, the planet's soil is toxic, and the lack of magnetosphere means that radiation is a major concern. It's clear that we need sustainable living solutions to overcome these obstacles. Another challenge is the psychological impact of living in such an isolated environment. The feeling of being disconnected from Earth and the rest of humanity can take a toll on the mental health of the astronauts. We need to design homes that not only provide physical protection but also cater to the emotional well-being of the inhabitants. One of the most critical aspects of Martian homes is the need for self-sufficiency. The distance between Mars and Earth means that resupply missions are expensive and time-consuming, so the homes need to be able to generate their own food, collect their own water, and produce their own energy. This requires innovative solutions that can harness the planet's resources in a sustainable way. Looking at the bigger picture, the success of Martian homes relies on our ability to create a reliable and sustainable supply chain. This means establishing a reliable means of transportation, setting up infrastructure for resource extraction, and developing a robust communication network. Innovative technologies are being used to create Martian habitats that can overcome these challenges. One such technology is 3D printing, which allows for the rapid construction of homes using Martian soil. This not only reduces the need for transportation from Earth but also provides a sustainable solution for building materials. Another critical technology is sustainable energy sources, such as solar panels and wind turbines, which can harness the planet's renewable energy. These energy sources are not only environmentally friendly but also reduce our reliance on Earth-based supplies. Life support systems are also crucial for maintaining a healthy environment within the habitats. These systems need to be able to recycle air, water, and waste, as well as regulate temperature and humidity. The goal is to create a closed-loop system that can sustain life for extended periods. The moment of truth has finally arrived. The first habitat is complete. This is a monumental achievement that paves the way for future Mars missions and colonization efforts. The habitat is designed to be modular, allowing it to be expanded and modified as needed, and it's equipped with all the necessary life support systems to sustain human life. The completion of the first habitat marks a significant milestone in our journey to Mars. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. As we celebrate this achievement, we're also reminded of the long road ahead and the many challenges that still need to be overcome. As we look to the future, the potential impact of Martian habitats cannot be overstated. They will serve as a stepping stone for further exploration, a hub for scientific research, and a beacon of hope for humanity's presence in space. In summary, the key advancements in Martian housing are a crucial step towards establishing a human presence on the red planet. It's an exciting time for space exploration, and we're honored to be a part of it. What do you think about living on Mars? Do you think humanity will one day call the red planet home? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're as excited about space exploration as we are, be sure to check out our next video on the latest Mars exploration missions. Thanks for watching.